Hey my friend, I know that if you are watching this video you probably want to make money online. And I just want to ask you a quick question. What if you could make an extra $100 a day by just using a smartphone or your laptop, because in just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly step by step how you can make $3 each time you're tapping and clicking on your screen. Right, all you need is just a phone and a laptop, and I'll show you exactly how you can get detailed payment sending into your bank account directly every single day. And for this method today, it will work in your country. I don't care what videos you have been watching previously, but this is gonna work for you no matter what country you're in. United Kingdom, United States, you're from Nigeria, you're from India, you're from Singapore. Whatever country you are in, this is gonna work for you. And also buddy, end up watching this video, you're getting not just one, not two, not three, but actually 4 proven ways that you can make money right now with just your phone and your laptop, and also exactly what websites and what application to use. I'll show you the entire sign-up process. I'll show you how to speed up your earning fast, because I assume that you don't have much time, right? And I'll show you the more passive in a more lazy way to do that, and you can get the money the exact same thing like what I did, and it's sort of simple, a powerful how to do it automatically. You don't have to put it a lot of time to do these guys, and don't need any experience to get started. I'll show you exactly all the details on this video, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to go down there and hit on the subscribe button right now, and also of course turning on the notification so they can receive my daily new videos about different ways, different methods to help you to make money online, work from home, and create passive income. And for those of you guys, if you are a complete beginner, you want to make money while you are still learning, and you want to make somewhere between $200 up to $500 every single day, I'll encourage you to go down there first under my video description, click on this link right there. I'll show you my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. This is exactly what I'm doing. Let me show you. #1, right, #1 application, which is Make Money Free Cash App. Why I want to show you is because take a look at this, right? Take a look at the review, 4.6 stars out of 554,000 reviews, right? This is something legit. This is something real and something that is paying right now. Let me show very quickly how you can make money by just a few taps on your phone screen. When you go on there, is sign up for free, you get an account, and after that, you'll see at a home screen, you'll see different things that you can do, different offers, different activity, different job payment that you can do. For example, watching videos, for example, doing some simple tasks, for example, doing some surveys, sharing your opinions. When it happened that each and every time you make money and you see the money keep on increasing on your dashboard. Let me show very quickly when you do complete those surveys, those offers, those video you see, congratulations, adding 800,000 credits in your account. Cool, right? I know that you love it and redeemed your money. That's really important, because by the end of the day, we want our money, right? We're gonna be able to cash out the money. So take a look at this PayPal, $5, $10, $20 up to $50 that you can withdraw your money instantly by using this only one application, all in one, right? And you can do a lot of stuff right there. You earn right on this application, and they sent you an email confirmation within just 1 or 2 late. So really a fast payment. You don't have to wait for weeks or even months to get your money sending into your bank account. And also, this is one of the most easiest way that I can find on the internet, right? Now that a legit application that is working worldwide. Let me show you what you can do, right? I'll show this application, automatic clicker button download. This is, again, it's 100% free application. So what if you're going to download this application is set an automatic clicker on a certain intervals. For 1 minute, you're gonna set you tap this screen for a certain location. Let's say, right, you want a screen to tap on. So you can utilize this powerful hack, combine this application clicking and tapping on your screen, and you earn way more money in a more passively, without you actively checking on your phone, clicking on that. I know that you don't have much time to do that, and a good news is that all of these are absolutely free, and it is working pro-wide, right? So this is the first method I want to show you, and moving on to the second one, Survey on the Go, right? Survey on the Go you can download This application, on both your App Store or your Google Play Store. Sign up for a free account, download the application. You'll see that surveys, lifestyle, media, demographic, technology share different methods. As you can see, like 10 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, $1. Sometimes it's much more, and sometimes much lesser. But on average you're able to make a few dollars per hour. If you are actively making money on this application, make $3 just for 10 minutes worth of the surveys. Just make candles, for baking some cookies and taking a 16 seconds video of it. Wow, right, take a look at this 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes, $3 is really incredible. In a process that you can make, for example, tapping on a few buttons as you can see, yes or no, or sharing some a demographic, and you can earn money instantly by using this method. Go on to the third one. This is actually paying. Let me show you. This is a country that they are covering, and again you can do a joint free today by using your Android phone or your iOS devices. Both of them work perfectly fine, and of course your earned paper money or iTunes money or even Amazon gift cards. So if you have, like, a free time, right, families, or 30 minutes a day, you can check out this application and begin doing some jobs, tapping on the screen, doing some surveys and recording some 10 seconds or 20 seconds short video, without even showing your face, and you're able to make money on iPod. Let us go on to the fourth one, which is App Karma, and again, you can make about $10 on this one. I know that this is not a lot of money. But guys, if you're able to make my extra $5–10 on the internet by just using a smartphone, are you happy or excited with that, right? Because I truly know that this is gonna change your life, right, for some of you guys. If you're from to a country, right, this is gonna help you to make some extra money to pay your bill things. You're excited for what I'm share with you. How I'm sharing valuable stuff for you for free on my channel. Be sure to subscribe for that. Subscribe for more videos, and those are smashing on the like button, right? Thank you so much. When you sign up, when you do a free account with them, you instantly he'll get a 300 points for free, right? Without you doing and it's stuff. 300 points for free, and that's worth $3 guys. $3 for free without doing any stuff, and of course the methods I like about these methods. Wanna teach my subscribers to multiply and speed up their earning. You can actually share you invite link, write a referral code, and earn 30% of what your referral own. Let's say you referring to 10 people, 20 people, and every single day for a lifetime. That will not expire. You earn 30% of whatever they're earning. You actively go out there, do the work for you. But you can earn a more passive rate, 30% every single time. And you can do it on your YouTube videos, right, on your Facebook, on Instagram, on the Twitter share. The thing is about App Karma is that you can keep on increasing your earning as you do it over time. So this what I like about this. And again, if you have any question, you can, of course, contact their supports in many different platform that you can do. And it's free to reach out, and then they reply within like just 1 or 2 hours. I want to show you today that you can make money by just tapping on your screen, doing something really simple that don't require you with any sort of experience. If you want to learn, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online, be sure to go down there, click on the first link down in the video description, and I'll share with you all the details, how to get started, and how you can begin earning $100 a day up to $500 every single day consistently. All the details on the inside. So that's only share view in today's video. You guys make it an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, peace.